China's infrastructure over the past 75 years has been jaw-dropping. In 1949, China had just 21,000 kilometers of railway. That distance has skyrocketed to over 159,000 kilometers by the end of 2023, with high-speed rail alone making up about a quarter or 40,000 kilometers of that stretch. You roll out China's railways end to end, and they'll circle the Earth 4 times, with high-speed rail alone making nearly one full loop.
A marvel of transport engineering is the Qinghai-Xizang Railway, spanning nearly 2,000 kilometers.
Fully completed in 2006, it set world records for being the highest altitude and longest plateau railway. With its special frost-resistant tracks and eco-friendly technologies, the trains can run smoothly even in the harsh cold of minus 40 degrees Celsius. In the early days, China had less than 80,000 kilometers of roads. Today, the total road network spans more than 5.4 million kilometers, with 180,000 kilometers of highway, making it the largest in the world. Now, to put that into perspective, China's total road length can take you to the moon and back nearly 6 times. But let's stick closer to home and go on that road trip, shall we? China built its first bridge, the Wuhan Yangtze River Bridge, in 1957. Fast forward to 2024, China now has over 1 million bridges, some of them world record holders. For example, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, spanning 55 kilometers. It is the longest sea crossing bridge in the world. It connects the two Chinese regions with the southern mainland. It's a huge boost to the development of the zone known as China's Greater Bay Area. This mega bridge took 9 years to build, overcoming challenges like typhoons and complex seabed conditions. China has the world's second largest aviation network with over 250 civil airports. The Beijing-Daxing International Airport alone handles over 100 million passengers a year, making it one of the biggest and busiest airports on the planet. Covering over 1.4 million square meters, this massive airport went from design to completion in under 5 years. China's rapid development, especially since opening up, has boosted its construction industry. The country now tops the list of having the most skyscrapers in the world, with some 4,600 of them exceeding 150 meters in height. Per capita housing area in urban China has grown from just 5.5 square meters in 1950 to over 40 square meters today. And thanks to China's poverty eradication goals, more than 64 million units of resettlement homes and affordable housing have been built. China is not only building itself up, it's also helping to improve infrastructure in other countries. And many of these projects have been transformative locally. For example, the Niger River Bridge, the Vanuatu Friendship Hospital, and the Siem Reap Province Stadium. China is proving its infrastructure capabilities both at home and around the world.